Thank you for your interest in the Hessaire portable evaporative coolers. The evaporative cooling uses a fan to draw the hot, dry air through a wet media and blows out moist, cool air. People in the desert Southwest are more familiar with evaporative coolers and often refer to them as swamp coolers. Evaporative coolers work best in dry desert climates where they can deliver air that feels up to 25 degrees cooler. Evaporative cooling effect is reduced in humid areas. Hessaire portable evaporative coolers can still deliver air that feels 10 degrees cooler, even in high humidity areas such as Louisiana and Florida. The pump circulates water from the tank to soak the high-density evaporative media, and quiet, powerful fans draw the air through the cool, wet media. There is no compressor. Electrical operating costs of cooling is only a few cents per hour. The Hessaire line of portable evaporative coolers covers a broad range of cooler needs from small personal spaces to larger industrial areas. They're ideal for spot cooling in RV camping, on your patio, or in your workshop. Coolers are best suited for outdoor cooling and large open areas where it is not practical for air conditioning. All Hessaire models feature multiple fan speeds, and models MC37, MC61, and MC92 feature an air sweep function for larger area coverage. Hessaire evaporative coolers are not for use inside enclosed rooms. Evaporative cooling introduces moisture into the air. The moisture will build up in the air and the room will feel like a sauna. In extreme humidity environments, additional humidity can cause drywall damage or mold. Hessaire portable evaporative coolers operate best as a spot cooler in open spaces and are portable enough to transport and use almost anywhere.